guys, it's Richie. Today I'm in Little Rock, Washington, getting ready to go on a road trip with my friends that we call the Cornball 3000. Today we're going to be going to Leavenworth, Washington, but a long and twisty way. Let's go meet the guys and then let's get going.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. I'm Josh. This is my Exomotive Exoset Sport, powered by a K24A2, making 240 horse to the wheels, and it weighs about 1,600 pounds. It's a go-kart for the street.
My name's Paul. I got the 04 Z06 made by a small company called Chevy. It's got the LS 6000 in it, tuned to 405 horsepower. It's red and fast, and we're gonna have some fun today. And also check my band out, Judas Rising, Northwest Chapter, Judas Priest Tribute.
Hey, I'm John. This is my 93 Suzuki Cappuccino. It's got a Suzuki Sport ECU and injectors. I got a little boost controller in there, got the boost up to about 13, 14 pounds, so it should make like a few extra horsepower. Other than that, it's just a light little K car, weighs 1,600 pounds.
Hi, my name is Brian. This is my 2016 Ford Focus RS. It has full bolt-ons and KW suspension. I'm looking forward to it, and it should be a fun trip.
Hey, I'm Mark. This is my 2019 Accord Touring. I got K-tuned, running E30. It weighs a little more than 1,600 pounds, maybe like 1,605, and it should be fun.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking so you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Well, we're just sitting here in the back in the Accord while everyone's doing crazy passes on the pass. But check this out. Got a big oversized load truck up there. But check out this valley. It looks super cool. We got Rimrock Lake over here. It's pretty huge. We're kind of at the end of it, but it goes back this way for miles. And it seems pretty windy, so it'd be a good sailing lake. And here's the dam that's the end of the lake. Wow, check out all these awesome cliffs. Stuck behind a minivan.
Well, at least it's staying in the car.
Yeah. Fuck, every trip I lose my hat now.
It's the trip call.
We're here in the Yakima Valley going through some of the hop farms. This place is known as the largest producer of hops in the world, even more than Germany, which is the second largest producing country. But just this area produces more than them. we made it to our accommodation in Leavenworth. As you can see, we're down to 3 cars at the moment. Let's check this place out. Kitchen. What's going on in here? Bathroom. Got some bunk beds. What's in here? Couch with a floor. Nice. Got a second kitchen, or a more full kitchen. Table, another little table, fireplace. Check this out.
Oh, there's another fucking flight of stairs. So. Mark, go take the master. Go claim it.
It's pretty cool. What's up here? Dang, more futons. Master bedroom, I guess. With AC.
Bam!
It's Josh's room.
Yep.
What's over here?
More AC and so we need to get going.
Nice. Yeah, this place is pretty cool.
That's a height of it.
Oh. Couch is a hide-a-bed over there. Sweet. Oh, there's more back here. What's going on? It's another bathroom. Toilet behind the door. It's back here. Laundry room. Little back porch thing. What's this? Another normal bedroom. Nice. This is great. Wow, that's a pretty big closet space too.
Considerable size closet.
All right, I guess that's the house tour. All right, it's the next day, getting packed up, almost ready to go. We're down 1 car. I don't know what happened to it. We ditched it. So, starting off in the cappuccino today, and then later on getting into the go-kart. All right, so today we're going to Arlington, the extremely long way. It's going to be about 6 hours of driving, but first we're going to go fuel up. We're in the cappuccino on the way to go get gas. It's nice and sunny today. Pretty clear sky, which is fantastic because yesterday was cloudy as hell. Should be good.
Yeah, a lot less humid.
got the fuel stop out of the way. Check out the dam over here. John, do you think that's a goddamn?
Is this a goddamn?
Oh, it's the Rocky Reach Dam. There's a Carmi over here.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you can get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your
Alright,
limits,
we're
don't be
in
rigid, always
Winthrop
look towards the
now.
front. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life.
Still on the
Feel
Columbia
friends,
River.
pretend can't help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down.
Shake and bake.
Rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll fall.
Just never-ending orchards.
I'll make it look like I'm losing. Won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're gone, what's your chance for being ruthless? It's your chance for being ruthless.
Taking a short break in the mountains.
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray.
Alright, we just got to Diablo Lake and it's super windy over here. Whoa, like I might lose my hat. And there's a ton of people. Look at the wind down there. This is nuts. Let's go over here. I don't know where the guys went. They're over somewhere. Let's go this other way. The color of the lake is so cool looking. Oh, there's like people down there paddleboarding. That's pretty awesome. All right, we're in the go-kart now. Jesus, that thing's loud. Damn, it's a lot of people down there. Stuck in a big line of cars now. There's nowhere good to pass. Hard to hear it over Brian's crackle tune. It's just a never-ending line of cars and there's nowhere to pass on this road. thing is awesome. It just grips. Holy shit, this thing rips! Alright, that was the Cornball rally. It was pretty fun riding in everyone's cars and going on some pretty awesome roads. That's it for this video. If you guys liked it, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. See ya.